This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious Yong Tau Foo. To begin, you will gather fresh ingredients like eggplant, bitter gourd, and tofu puffs, which are essential. We will create a wonderfully flavorful fish paste to stuff into each selected piece. You can then choose to boil them in a light, savory broth or pan-fry them until beautifully golden brown. It is a wonderfully customizable meal, easy to adapt to any preference, truly. Our first step is preparing the core of our dish, the savory fish paste. You will need approximately 1 pound of fresh, deboned fish paste, perhaps from yellowtail or mackerel. Into this, incorporate 2 tablespoons of finely minced shallots, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and a pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, then mix vigorously by hand for about 5 minutes until it becomes sticky and cohesive. Now, let us move to stuffing our chosen ingredients. For vegetables like bitter gourd or bell peppers, scoop out the seeds, creating a hollow. Tofu puffs can be slit open on one side to form a pocket. Take about 1 1/2 tablespoons of the fish paste for each piece, pressing it firmly into the cavity. Ensure the paste is well adhered, preventing it from detaching during cooking. With all your Yong Tau Foo pieces stuffed, it is time for cooking. One popular method is deep frying. Heat approximately 4 cups of vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the stuffed items for about 3 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden and crispy. Alternatively, you can gently simmer them in a light chicken or anchovy broth for approximately 10 minutes, ensuring they are cooked through and tender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.